Hi, it's Harrison from Stoner Car Care. Did you know the sun can negatively affect your car's exterior? It's true. UV rays can damage and even hamper cleaning processes. Today, we're going to be detailing my WRX and showcasing some tips and tricks to beat the heat. Be sure to like and subscribe. Our tools and material list includes a wash mitt, a 2-bucket wash system, microfiber towels, a wax sealant product, a neutral pH car soap or shampoo. Odds are you'll be detailing your car often throughout the summer months. There's multiple things that can affect your exterior negatively. Pollen, bird droppings, dust, you name it. Before we wash the car, we need to keep 2 things in mind. We have to pick an appropriate time and an appropriate place. And that brings us to the place where we're actually going to carry out the detailing job. We don't want to clean in direct sunlight. That can lead to water streaks or water spots. Here we have a spot with some partial shade with a tree covering half the car, so that will suffice. Some cleaning products work better than others in excessive heat, which is why we recommend a neutral pH car soap. This type of soap won't damage your car if it's left on too long. Before we begin cleaning, we have to let the car cool off first. It can be hot from driving or just from the sun itself. While some might cool off the car by rinsing it off with a hose or with some water, we recommend against this. This can damage or even deform metal on older vehicles. Gather all your supplies before the cleaning process. Cleaning in hot weather requires moving at a faster rate. Knowing where your things are when you need them is crucial. Time is not on your side. The hot sun evaporates water and cleaning fluids fast. Mentally note body paneling on the car and clean each panel at a time. Have a hose or water bucket nearby in case the liquids begin evaporating too quickly. Reapply water and cleaner as needed. Once you clean each panel, rinse it immediately to avoid water spots. Follow it up with drying. Despite careful cleaning and precautions, water spots and streaks are often inevitable when working in hot condition. Quick actions remove these eyesores. Most water spots will disappear with some reapplied water, followed up by a quick wipe down with a microfiber towel. Stubborn spots might require additional application of car shampoo or soap. Now that the surface is clean, we're going to add an additional layer of protection. Today we're going to be using hybrid ceramic to protect this car from contaminants such as bird droppings, pollen, dust, some of the things that we touched on before. A scorching exterior will complicate the application process. We recommend a synthetic sealant when working in hot conditions. Wax has a lower melting point than artificially made sealants. Summer detailing requires plenty of preparation and planning. While there's many things to consider, detailing your car during the hot months won't just keep it looking nice, it'll keep it safe from the sun and its harmful UV rays. This has been Harrison with Stoner Car Care. Thanks for watching.